There is a new trend forming in crypto. Most people find this space insanely complicated. They spend hours or even days trying to figure out wallets, exchanges, DeFi, how to buy and sell, and a lot of people get frustrated and they simply just quit. That's exactly why more investors are turning to crypto brokers and managed services. These teams handle the buying, selling, the day-to-day trading for you so you can focus on what actually matters the most in your life. On top of that, a good crypto broker like UpTrade can bring research, market insights, and professional risk management to the table, helping you stay ahead of trends and industry that is changing every single day. I want to introduce my new partner to my channel, UpTrade. They are a up-and-coming broker here, and they have some incredible services that I think more and more people are starting to wake up and realize I want what they can offer me. So let me go through this with you and really show you why I am super bullish on UpTrade, its founder, and its entire team of crypto professionals to help you change your game here in the crypto space. Your expert crypto broker, UpTrade, we take the complexity out of crypto, putting you in the trading driver's seat for your financial freedom. Access 24/7 support, a dedicated crypto broker, plus all the research and insights that you need to stay ahead of the game. This is what really separates the exchanges from the brokers. Now, this is the reason why more and more people are looking towards crypto brokers for their crypto future. You got access to crypto market experts. How many times has your friend called you and said, hey, you should buy this, but you really don't know, is this a good investment? Should you even be looking at this? What if you could pick up the phone and talk with a crypto expert that could give you clear guidance on whether this is smart or this is pretty dumb, right? That could save you thousands of dollars, if not more, over time if you're making the right and better decisions and not just listening to what anybody tells you. Get 24/7 service and support. How important is it to wake up, be able to pick up the phone or send an email and get in contact with an actual human being? If you ever had an exchange, you're trying to reach out and get customer support and it's a chat bot or it's an AI and you can't get anywhere, that's extremely frustrating. This was going to give you access to a human 24/7 and the support that you need to be successful out here in the crypto space. Staying ahead of market trends is the most important thing for any crypto trader. There's all these trends and different things happening in the crypto space, and they happen very quickly. You need a team of people helping to keep you in the loop of what's hot and what's not. Grow your crypto knowledge. Obviously, knowledge is power, and as you get more educated, you can make more educated decisions, faster and simplified trades, buying, selling, swapping. UpTrade will handle it all for you. If you're the type of person that wants to trade yourself, but also want all the advantages of having a crypto broker, you can do that as well. And of course, keeping your investment secure is so important. They do that through Fireblocks for custody. They're also working with Apollo Crypto, Masari, Chainalysis, and so many more. Now, I did want to show you here a little bit more information about what they're offering. Crypto trading services, personal investors, whether you're a company, if you have a 401k, a trust, maybe you have an SMS. If you need research and insights, trading services, and secure storage, everything here under one umbrella to keep you safe and secure. It's easy and free to set up an account. You obviously will have 24/7 broker access, no broker discussion fees, 500 different digital assets that you can buy, sell, and trade, instant fiat transfers, transfer internationally and internationally faster than ever before, no obligation trading, flat buy, sell, and swap fees. You can save up to 45% by using my link down in the description, but more about that in just a few minutes. No spread, deposit, or withdraw fees, which is really important. You ever try to withdraw something from a crypto exchange, they're always taking a piece. Real human support, which is widely very important. So talking about faster trade settlement, dedicated crypto broker, 24/7 service, critical insights and research, and multi-entity streamlined onboarding. When it talks about keeping your crypto safe and giving you that security and peace of mind, we're talking about secure custodial options, custody secured by Fireblocks, strict trader to broker approvals, multi-party computation, hardware isolation, and of course, direct broker and investor approvals. Be in the crypto know without investing the time. Your time is precious. Let our expert team do the research and heavy lifting and get real market insights right into your inbox. That's what UpTrade is going to allow you to do, is get the most important information in the least amount of time. That is going to add value and of course, time to your everyday life. Keep up with market trends. actionable intelligence, allowing you to move maybe before the rest of the market does, proactive monitoring, and of course, optimizing your true potential. Here are some of the leaders here at UpTrade. This is Jeff. I met him at XRP Tokyo, and I gotta say, he's one of the nicest people that I've met in the crypto space. Just truly a kind individual. When we're talking about markets and insights, take a look at this. They have a weekly market update. They just dropped their one from April 15th. You can go in here and learn and get value from this. You also get a free portfolio health check, a $2,500 value by using my link. You're actually going to get a 45% discount. I negotiated an even better discount for my community, better than most other content creators are doing right now. Same day, fast track priority onboarding, which is greatly important. Of course, the UpTrade team is growing every day here. They have over 10,000 investors worldwide and 511 digital assets and over $1 billion under management, which is a huge deal. And I wanted to show you what this actually looks like behind the scenes, because everybody wants to know, what does the office look like, the team, right? What is this? How does this look? Let me show you.
UpTrade helps investors make more informed decisions through having an experienced broker who's walked the path themselves, also access to real-time, world-class, great analytics and research, and a 24/7 brokerage where traders are ready at any moment. Let's say in a fast-moving 24/7 market, getting fast, rapid access to high-quality information is really important, especially in a space where there are so many voices. If you are going to be investing for your future, not gambling, you're actually trying to invest and you're just a normal person trying to get ahead, we believe that you should be as prepared as possible and armed with the best information that we can give you. We help our clients stay ahead in quite a few ways. We help them understand and we teach them even about macro trends, so general market trends and what's happening in everything else but crypto. We're talking about like monetary policy, we're talking about elections, we're talking about wars, how future events could possibly impact crypto.
Most people don't realize you have all these macro events happening around the world and they directly impact crypto. Let's say a new person was elected in a specific country that was anti-crypto and they are pro-crypto. That could be a huge boom for crypto in that specific country. And this is what UpTrade does. They go through and they cycle through all of this valuable information. They discard what they think is not valuable and they put that right at your fingertips so you can make the best educated decision at any given time. And that is the value in a crypto broker. That is why people are paying the additional fee for a broker, for the human touch, the support, and of course, the knowledge. All right, so what do you guys need to do today if you're interested in signing up? You need to create an account using my link. You need to book your virtual discussion. And then of course, you can take the next step and start investing and growing your portfolio. And before you ask, yes, XRP is one of the main assets that UpTrade trades with. More and more people are waking up to the understanding that XRP does have this financial future that a lot of people are trying to be a part of, and it is one of their most traded assets. So you can follow and keep up with UpTrade on X here at UpTrade Official. You can follow them on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. If you want to stay up to date with everything that UpTrade is offering their customers, as well as news about the crypto space and new products, make sure to follow them. All of the links will be down in the description, so it's easier for you to find. Go ahead and sign up for UpTrade. If you ever see Jeff out in any conferences, make sure to say hi and tell him Crypto Sensei sent you. I want to know what you guys are thinking. They have 115 reviews here. All of them 5-star. They have one that's a little bit lower, it looks like, but I mean, talking about good feedback from customers over a long period of time here. They're doing the work, they're getting the clients. And of course, if you want to take advantage of everything that UpTrade has to offer, use the link in the description and tell them Sensei sent you. All right.